Okay, I was skeptical. Got the vinegar on. There's the bottle. Right above us. Clear. It was hazy, like what you see over there in the distance, in that upper atmosphere. An hour after putting it on. How in the world does that happen? That's how it happens.
It's 7:30 in the morning, and here in North Georgia, they're at it already. Past 2 days have been beautiful and sunny. But as you can see, they're trying to do it with the chemtrails, but I've got my setup going right here. I've turned them all in towards each other, the openings, so that the wind can't blow it out, and they will be going strong today. It's 9:30 in the morning. They can try. But you see the sun? I love it. Just love it.
It's Sunday morning. We had a lovely clear sky to begin with. This is what's spreading out over us. Look, trying to block the sun. Everywhere. Like waves in the ocean from the frequencies. So, let's see what you can do. There's my flag, and there's the open sky above my house. They're still trying with contrast, but my God, does this work? Does this work? Look. And there's the opening, the clouds all wide around me. Wow, vinegar blue skies.
Starting to work, mate. Sun's starting to come out.
So, doing that vinegar thing. Let's see if we can get rid of the clouds. There's not many chemtrails today. So maybe we'll see what happens. It worked. What the fuck, like? Honestly, put vinegar in your back gardens and tell me if this happens. Because they're all the way over there now. They look like real clouds too, no? But look! I did this like half an hour ago.
Alright, so this is like, I think my second day or third day of doing this. So I didn't have any candles for the burners. So I just put these 4 bottles out. And dude, literally right above my house is fucking clear. All clear. And then it's this cloudy right here, but it's all fucking clear. Nothing's right here, but right there, you see it, right there. Alright, but like all right here, fucking blue sky, bro. Blue fucking sky.
He swears a lot, doesn't he?
All thanks to this fucking vinegar. Distilled white vinegar. Keep it out of your keep it outside of your house, and it'll get rid of the sun blocking chemtrails. This is the proof that it works. Right? My backyard got 6 oil burners going. Bam! Fucking cleared that shit out, bro. This is how we doing it. This is how we're gonna clear the sky. Everyone get your white vinegar, get your oil burners. Burn that shit all day fucking long, bro. If you get enough people burning this vinegar, we're gonna get the whole sky cleared up. And we're gonna get our sun back. Don't you guys want a summer? Don't you want to go to the beach and have a sunny fucking day? This is how you do it. Stand up for your freedom. Stand up for your country. Just look up and let's clear the sky together. Let's make it happen.
Good morning. Today is Monday, September 18th. I have the humidifier running and this little patch that is opened. That's it so far. And this is what the cloud coverage looks like. Otherwise, all around. I just want to document what's going on all around. I can see chemtrails, you know, a few random ones here or there. There's a new one being sprayed. This is like out of my front yard. But above me, where I've been simmering vinegar a good portion of the day, there's hardly anything. And there is this band that's like surrounding us like this. Okay? But we're clear above us. Very clear. And I'm gonna keep at this work to see how much more we can accomplish in the days ahead. So I wanna show something. That is a plane that went over laying chemtrails. I have my vinegar out simmering. And when it went over our house, you can see there's nothing there. And that's where it started. You can see the trail is there and it goes all the way down. But as you come over my house, or get the vinegar going, there's nothing, 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 nothing. Awesome.
Fondue. Best invention ever. Shitty, shitty, shitty. Shitty.
They're trying to do their thing directly above, but you'll notice it's just dissipating straight away. Probably because of my intention and the huge amount of negative ions that we're sending up there. So it's not persisting at all. They can fuck right off. And there's barely anything, if anything at all, in front of the sun now. It's just been raining like hell. But boom. You watch, by the end of today, it'll be completely blue. That's what I'm hoping for anyway. Let's see. Hey everyone. So forecast as I posted this morning, raining all day and thunder and lightning apparently. Apparently not. Nature 1, them 0. Fantastic.
I'm sick of all these fucking fake clouds, man, and geoengineering. I just poured vinegar on 3 bottles of vinegar on the ground. It fucking stinks. But we'll see. Now that it's fucking daytime, I can show you evidence that these are not troll videos and it actually works. But it takes 1 to 3 hours for it to kick in. I'll send you up a follow-up video where all the clouds fuck off from above my house. As you can see, evidence that vinegar actually gets rid of the fake cloud chemtrails. I wouldn't say they're fake clouds, but okay, partially, like chemtrail-induced rain, heavy metal clouds. It actually fucking works. How embarrassing for these Jesuit Masonic pigs. Fucking cunts, you fucking elite. Defeated by the humble vinegar bottle. All the way over there. You fucking cunt. Fuck you and your geoengineering motherfuckers.
He swears a lot, doesn't he?